Hello, welcome 6 graphics. My name is GDCH6. Today we are continuing with our application pharmacy inventory. Today I'm going to show you the logic on the login system. To show you, we need to have the things. First of all, we must have three tables. I have told you must have the employee table, so we must have employee table is this one. If you are a new one here, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And if you are a new one, please go and watch my series from the start to here. You will see this tables. I have made this table, so you must have this table. Then we must have the user type table. Here is the user type table. This one, user type table. We must have this table. Okay, user type ID, auto number, user type text. Okay, then we must have user activity. We must have the user activity. We must have also the user activity ID, auto number, login ID, number, activity type. We short text, then description, username, action on, action by, and the reference document. Okay, we have these three tables. Okay, then we must have the main form, login form. Okay, we must have the login form, this one. Okay, we have seen this one, and we must have the form to be opened after login. When you log in, the detail is correct, then what next? The main form. Our main form is here, and it is named as navigation form. This one, wait here. Oh, and it is named as navigation form. See, this is our main form. So let us go and see how the code is in our application here. First of all, we in this main form we have this text user text box. Okay, we have text login. Okay, you can see here into the property sheet. We have text security to display the number of the security. Let's go and we see on the goals. Okay, now we come to our login form. This is our login form. You can design your login form as you want. Okay, you can design it as you want. For me, it is this one. So we are going to click on this login button. Okay, login button. Remember, here we have this text box, unbound text box, and this one is unbound text box. Okay, to make the text look like this, when let me show you here. When you click, it will pop up like this. When you click here and like this, anyway, to make form to look like this, you must come to click here to the text box, then you come to format, then you come here to the special effect and select chiseled. I don't know what is chiseled. Okay, we have many here. We have flat, lazy, second, HD, shadowed, and select this one. Okay, after selecting this one, you will see your text box come like mine here. Okay, then here, this is a text username is appeared in the property sheet here, and this is the text password is appeared property sheet here. So we are going to check the logic used here in the logging system here to our Afya system database. Then I'm going to click on the button. Then I'm going to event tab here. Then on click to this event, then I will click this. Then we got the code here. First of all, within the variables, we declare some variables here. We have user type ID as the integer. We have TempUserID as TempVar. Don't worry, this code you will get it in the description. Also, you are going to copy it and then you will paste it wherever you want and they use it and change according to your data. Okay, then we have user as a string, we have AccessLevel as integer, we have TempPass as string, ID as integer, EmployeeName as a string, TempLoginID as a string, DepartmentID as integer, also activities as Recordset, and strGender as a string. For me here, I have started with the Recordset, but the better way you can start for the checking the null value. So we must check first the null value, then we come import the user type. users details, who is login, who is signing to your application, to preserve the data. Okay, so when you want to track somebody, you can see the login details for each and everyone, at what time, which date, what month. So you must have the record set. So to make the record set, Microsoft Access, we use this one. So first of all, we set the activity. We set activity equal to CurrentDb.OpenRecordset. Then we put the user activity. I have told you must have the user activity table. Then after that, we must add a new detail to the table. Then we activity type. Remember, this is the field to our user activities. Then we concatenate, or you put anything which is good for you, for your application. That's for you. So for me here, I have this one. Then login to Afya DB. Then activities reference document is Me.Name. So here I want to get the name of the form. So the name of our form here now, it is the background F. So in order to get this one, I write me. Then we have the description, activity exclamation description is equal to user has seen the home page. Then we have the username is equal to Me.txtUserName.Value. Then we check the table, the text box on our background, our login form. Then we have action on. We format the time, date, and year and month. Then after that, we update that details to our user activity. Okay, this and yeah. So you can put whenever data you want to grab from your user when he or she login in. Then we come here to check the null value. If it is null, we check if it's null Me.txtUserName or TempUserName. Then if it is empty, then we throw up the message, please enter username, and we set the focus to the text box of TempUserName. Then else password is empty. Then we through the message, please enter the password, and we check the focus to password. If this is false now, okay, if this is false, so we come to else here. We check if the data in our table is existing. If it's not existing, we throw up also a message. So we check if we use is null, but we use the D lookup to look up for the data. Okay, then we check for employee ID to our employee table. Then in the we check the user name. If the username is equal to, we concatenate to our text box to our login form, and with the password to our table, we concatenate it to the password to which is in a login form. If this something is empty and there is null to our table, then we throw up the message invalid username or password, and we set the focus to username text. So we put the text username dot set focus. Else, if this is false, also we come here. TempLoginID is equal to Me.txtUserName. Table or employee is equal to the lookup employee name, table employees, login ID, this one, TempPass this one, okay, ID this one. So you can see yourself here. Access level, okay, we access level do lookup user type. Remember the user type. Employees, we check for user type in the employee because we linked it to the user type, and the login ID, we have done that. strGender, we look up for the gender in the employees. Okay, we check this one. Then we close, do cmd.close. We close the what we can say, we close any form present there, like the login form. And if TempPass is this one, then he threw up the message this one, but this is not working for now because we have the new logic for resetting password. Else, if this is false and it has been has the values. Okay, we can use these values: employee name, so you can use the temp password, so you can use ID, you can use access level, you can use the strGender. So we come to else, do md.close app form background ref, we close the login form. After that, we open the navigation form. This is the main form. After opening the navigation form, we reference those fields to display the login's details. So forms, navigation forms, text login is equal to TempLoginID. Remember, TempLoginID is equal to Me.txtUserName. So we get the username of the user. Temp form, navigation form is equal to text user. Text user is the text box in the main form, equal to employee name. Remember, employee name we have declared here. We get the name of the employee. Forms, navigation forms, text security, we get the security, we get access level. Access level, here we have declared the access level to the employee table, so we get the number of the access level. So as you can make a great customization to our database. Also, if the strGender is equal to male, then we got we reference the form, navigation form, image man, we have those images. Image man is visible is equal to true, and the image woman is equal to false. Then here it is opposite of here. Then we end if. After that, we set the focus to the home button to our main form. Do cmd.browse.act browse to form home, and navigation form, navigation subforms, and edit. Then we call our function. We have the function security, and put the details inside of our function, access level and the department ID. Then here now we come, our function is this one, the sub function. Okay, we have sub func security, access level as integer, and the security is integer. Select case, we use select security level, we use case 1. Case 1, first of all, we display the message access granted, welcome, and we mean case 1 will be the admin. Then we allow what feature to be seen to admin. Admin must see all the feature. Okay, I have simplified to put this to make this, so any feature to be here must be true. If it is false when in default, if it is false in default, you must put here. So cases 2, 3 and 4, this is this is user and superintendent and the guest. This all we categorize by displaying the message. You log in as user, and we close some accessibilities here button. This button we close, enable it got first and it got first. This is for the first security to our system, which is continuing by referencing this securities ID to our system. So let me show you how this works. We have seen this the flow code. Now we are going to check how our application work on that manner. And don't worry, this code I will write on description, so just go and copy the description and use it so on. So now we are going to our system. Okay, let us close the navigation form, let us close this one and close this one. Now we are going to log in. Let me log in as admin first. So I am logging in as admin. So when I click, first of all, when it is empty, when I click this one, cannot be clicked because the password is incorrect. So for you can make your own. That's for me. So when I put password, the correct password, this button is open. Then when I click here, then if this and this is correct, it will log in and close this form. So when I click here, now you see the main form has been open, and the message is popped up, access granted, welcome admin. When I click OK, it will not hide anything to this application. But here you see we have the image of man, and the login as I'm logging as Richard Bahendeka. The username is 60 and the security ID is 1. So this security ID, we will be using this security ID to our system here to customize who is going to access maybe series or it's a drag and save we will use this security ID, because we know if the security ID is 1, the 1 will be admin. Okay, I've shown you to my user type here. If the security is 1, then we mean that person is admin. User type is here. Let me show you. You see, if the security ID is 1, then mean that this person is admin. And if the security is 2, means that this person is user, and this security is 3, this person is guest. So you know, you can add anything you want here and customize to your system. So here for me now, I can you see how it appeared. Okay, I can access anything in this system. Okay, I can access anything in this system without any restriction because I am admin. Okay, so let me log out, and the login is a user. So as you can see, the security and these details and how the user can access and how we made those select for the code to call the security. Okay, that is the first security, so that's why. So I am logging in as a user. Okay, I am logging in as user. Okay, let me click this thing, then the message pop up. You login in as user. Welcome user. Okay, I'll click OK. When I click OK, then here you see the username and the security is 2. So we can use these two to customize different things here. So this user cannot access to register new items in the system and cannot edit anything in the system. So when somebody want to register, you see the low access level. Your access level is low. Please contact administrator. And when somebody wants to edit this one, it says your access level is low. Please contact your administrator for more details. So you see how you can access from the first security to the second security. Will help you to customize each details which are not related to the main form. You can reference to that security number. Okay, now you see here for those buttons. So this is the focus. We put the focus to the home when this main form is open. Then this button is disabled. I can't click here. I can't access here. I can't access here, I can't access here, I can access here, I can't access here, I can access my info, I can access file because I am a user. I am logging in as a user. So the admin has the recommendation for changing one person to be the admin, or to be user, to be superintendent, or to be anyone. Okay, so this mandate is upon to admin. If you are a user, you can't assign anything apart from setting and print report, check and save the OS, and reload the expired, register customer, register what supplier, like so, and check the drag information, like here, drag information. That's the function of the user. But if your customer need this application and want customization for other from different way apart from your logic to application, so you can customize it according to you, because you know how to do this and how things are going. So the way to log in is this one, but you will come to make the design for the main form that is displayed here. Okay, so we will check this main form. We will design it from the scratch. We see how we put this. It is very simple. Okay, it's very simple, you know, but some others they maybe they don't know, but we will design from scratch, and we will put this one thing, and we will continue doing things slow, gradually. Thank you for watching. My name is CGVJ6C. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. The link for the code is on the description, and the codes displayed to this section is also in the description. If you want to buy this application, please go to the link in the description and go check it and buy the source code, so as you can customize the application as you want. Thank you. Ciao.